Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox on PS5. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps to solve your problem. So first of all, as you can see, I am logged in into Roblox. Make sure to log in, and once logged in, just click on settings or go to settings and settings. And in like in PS5, you will be seeing a similar interface like this one, or you can just log in into your PC or like laptop. And once logged in, just scroll down. And as you can see, like I have not verified my age. So to use voice chat, it is very important that you must verify your age, as if you have not verified your age, you will not be allowed to use voice message or voice chat in Roblox, as this is some kind of privacy layer or some kind of privacy added by the Roblox, that if you want to use voice chat, you must verify your age. Now, let's say you have verified your email address, you have verified your age. So, what problem can you face? What else like can you try? So, make sure to delete the Roblox in your PS5 and reinstall it again and log in with your account again. And if you are still facing the issue, make sure to try with another account. Like this is my account. So, if you're facing issue in one account, you can just log out from an account and log in into an like through another account as well, and try if it works for you or not. So these are some solutions. Make sure to verify your email address, make sure to verify your age, make sure to like delete the Roblox from your PS5 and reinstall it. And after that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. So these are some steps which you can try and solve your problem.